Attorney John Gehlhausen is a Colorado attorney who represents victims of complex regional pain syndrome, also known as reflex sympathetic dystrophy, in Colorado and around the country. Representing victims of CRPS is more than just his job. It has been the primary focus of his life since the mid-'80s.
It's not work to me. It really isn't. I'm here 7 days a week, and because there's nothing I'd rather do. This is a passion. I'm here to tell you, when you talk to these people and find out what this condition of CRPS has done to their lives, there's no other way you could approach it.
Complex regional pain syndrome is a widely misunderstood condition that is thought to affect millions of people who have soft tissue trauma, with or without noticeable nerve damage. It's a condition that stems from an injury often sustained through another person's negligence. The crippling and painful nature of this disease is unbearable for its victims.
It is, first of all, the most painful condition that exists. It's worse than terminal cancer. It's worse than first childbirth. It is right at the top of the pain scales. And it not only destroys their ability to generally function as they did before with jobs and taking care of children and the normal things they would do. In addition to that, they have horrid pain virtually all the time. And there's no cure.
Because of that severe pain, maintaining a relationship or even a job can be challenging, to say the least. And because the ongoing medical treatment for CRPS can reach into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, many find it very difficult to keep up with their medical bills, which only adds more stress and anxiety to the situation. That's why it's so important for victims of this disease to contact an experienced CRPS attorney right away.
The advantage I have over a person who practices general personal injury cases with regard to the CRPS, complex regional pain syndrome condition, is that as a result of all the literature I've read, and in addition, all the clients I have had with this condition, is I have a much greater appreciation of the damage that has been done to these people as a result of getting this condition, and how to try to have a jury or a judge understand how catastrophic this condition is to a person's life. That's the big advantage. It's from experience and getting into the literature.
John Gehlhausen's knowledge and experience in representing victims of CRPS has served his many clients well over the years. Though he's representing countless CRPS victims, he says he is still flattered every time a CRPS victim chooses him to tenaciously fight for their legal rights in court.
These people really need help, and they came to us to try to get it for them. There's a million attorneys out there, and they chose me. And when that happens, I feel the least I can do is everything I reasonably can to handle their case. When we win a case after a trial, and the client thanks you, it's a time for tears. That is just such a wonderful feeling. That you've been able, through a lot of effort of yourself and your firm, to do that for these people. It's wonderful.